Welcome back to Healthy Lifestyle with Saira. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to keep your brain healthy and active. The size of our brain is just 3 pounds, but it is a powerhouse. The brain coordinates your thoughts, emotions, and movements. Billions of nerve cells in your brain make it all possible. These brain cells are called neurons, and these neurons send information to the rest of your body. If they aren't working properly, your muscles may not move smoothly. You might lose feeling in parts of your body. Your thinking could slow. The brain doesn't replace neurons that are damaged or destroyed, so it's important to take care of them. Head injuries, drug use, and health conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease can cause brain cells damage or loss. In this video, I am going to explain how to keep your brain active and engaged. Try these brain health tips. Exercise regularly. Exercise has many known benefits, and regular physical activity also benefits the brain. Multiple research studies show that physically active people are less likely to experience a decline in their mental function and have a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. These benefits result from increased blood flow to your brain during exercise. It also tends to counter some of the natural reduction in brain connections that occur during aging, reversing some of the problems. Take care of your health. Some medical conditions can raise the risk of developing problems with thinking and memory. They may also raise the risk of having a stroke, which can damage blood vessels in the brain. Among the most common of these conditions are diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. If you have ongoing medical concerns, consult with your healthcare professional. Take 7 to 8 hours sleep every night. Poor or inadequate sleep is associated with worsening health and vascular risk factors, including high blood pressure and weight gain. Your brain needs those off hours to help clean up neurons and synapses and make memories. When you don't get quality sleep, your brain and physical health are impacted. Protect your head. A brain injury can have significant long term impact on a person's life. Brain injuries can affect thinking, memory, coordination, speech, and emotion. To protect your brain, always wear a helmet when doing an activity where there is a risk of head injuries. Examples are biking, skiing, riding a horse, or when using a motorcycle. Other common causes of head injuries include car accidents and falls. Help avoid hits to the head by wearing a seat belt in the car. To keep from falling, be careful with your footing on the ladders, on uneven ground, or when you are in an unfamiliar area. Help prevent falls at home by removing clutters from stairs and hallways. Be careful with medicines and limit alcohol. Drugs and alcohol can affect how brain cells communicate with one another. They also have an effect on your brain's ability to react, plan, solve problems, and control impulses. Follow the directions on medicines carefully. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation. For healthy adults, that means up to one drink a day for women and up to two drinks a day for men. Drinking too much raises your risk of a fall and can cause memory problems. It can also make worse some medical conditions that affect the brain, such as high blood pressure and diabetes. Eat Mediterranean diet. Your diet plays a large role in your brain health. Consider following a Mediterranean diet, such as plant based foods, whole grains, fish, and healthy fats, such as olive oil. Studies show that people who closely follow a Mediterranean diet are less likely to have Alzheimer's disease than people who don't follow the diet. Omega 3 fatty acid helps to decrease your risk of coronary artery disease and increases mental focus and slow cognitive decline in older adults. Remain socially involved. Social interactions help ward off depression and stress, which can contribute to memory loss. Look for opportunities to connect with loved ones, friends, and others, especially if you live alone. Different studies show that remaining alone causes brain damage. So, remaining socially active may have the opposite effects and strengthen the health of your brain. Keep your blood vessels healthy. The health of your arteries and vein is important to your heart health, but it is also critical for brain health. Get your blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol level checked regularly and take steps to keep your number within a normal range.